Good evening, one and all present here. Today, this video is a much awaited video where I will be discussing about the syllabus, the reduced syllabus of our JAG board. Now, I will be talking about English core and English elective both. So, especially I'm making this video for class 12. Class 11, I will make another video for that, but this is especially for English class 12, English core and English elective. So let us begin and enjoy, because I know many might criticize this video saying that बहुत सारा कम हो गया है सिलेबस, 40% कम हो गया है, हम लोग इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर्स नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे. इट इज़ अ negative thing for our education system and everything, but I will tell you why it is a good thing right now when our syllabus is reduced. Being a teacher, I would never have said for this topic, but let us just see why this is a blessing for all. Alright, so beginning from English core. Alright, English core, I will attach the PDF, the syllabus, entire syllabus from class 9 to 12 in the description link down, and I will also upload the images, as in when the video ends for 10 seconds there will be photos of the pictures of your English core and English elective, and I will also be uploading the pictures on the Instagram page of Unconventional Learning, so those who do not understand could just go there and easily find out which things are included and which are not. Okay, so beginning from our English core, let us see. The first thing is reading comprehension, which is included in your syllabus, which is a tick. There will be an unseen passage given, and you will all have to read the passage and then answer the questions. Now, obviously, how all you will do that will be a separate video where I will be discussing an entire question paper, and I will be telling you all how to write your answers and how to attempt questions. Okay, so reading and comprehension is tick, it's included. Second is the note making and summary writing, which I have been preparing you all for so long, which is not coming. Now, do not be disheartened, because those students who had been showing me their assignments and who had been learning how to write proper English and proper answers, that will help you in your English literature part, where you will be able to write beautiful answers. Okay, so short composition, obviously it's not there, composition is not there. Notice is yes, advertisement is no, poster making is no, invitations and replies is no. So you will only have notice for your short composition thing. Coming to letter writing, letter to the editor is yes, official letters is no, business letters, letters for job application is no, report writing is yes, factual description is no, article writing, now there is a simple thing given here. Article writing, there are two blocks given where they have given yes as well as no. Now I think article writing is yes, debate and speech is no. So when I am discussing, I just want you all to just listen, because everything will be given at the end of the video, so you will have no problem. Okay, now coming to your textbook Flamingo, which is my part, which I teach. Now, last lesson, the first chapter is yes, Lost Spring is yes, Deep Water is yes, The Rat Trap is no, Indigo is yes, Poets and Pancakes is no, which I had to do, but now I don't have to. Interview part 1 and part 2, those who are finding it boring and weird and everything, is a no. So it's good for you all. Going places, the chapter which I'm teaching you right now is yes. So this was regarding the literature first part, that is the book Flamingo. Now coming to the poetry part of the book Flamingo. We are having My Mother at 66 is yes. An elementary school classroom in a slum is yes. Keeping quiet is yes. A thing of beauty is yes. Roadside stand is no. Aunt Jennifer's tiger is no. So these were things where you are having in your Flamingo book. You had 3 chapters cut out. You had Rat Trap, you had Poets and Pancakes, and you had Interview. These 3 chapters are cut off from your syllabus. In your Flamingo poetry, you had again 3 poems which are cut off, which is A Roadside Stand, Aunt Jennifer's Tigers, and there are only 2 poems which are cut off from your Flamingo poetry, and other 4 are coming. But in your Flamingo prose, there are 3 prose which are cut off, and you have other 5 which are coming. Okay. Now coming to the book Vistas, the 3rd level is not coming. No. Tiger King, yes. Journey to the End of the Earth, yes. The Enemy, yes. Should Wizard Hit Mommy? No. On the Face of It, yes. Evans Tries an O Level, no. Memories of Childhood, yes. Alright, so these are the things which are coming. The things which are not coming is the 3rd level. Should Wizard Hit Mommy? And Ivan Tries an O Level. These 3 chapters again in Vistas also 3 chapters are not coming. In Flamingo prose 3 chapters are not coming. In your Flamingo poetry only 2 poems are not coming. Alright, and in your letters I had already discussed which all are coming and which are not. Letter to the editor is coming. Report writing is coming, and article writing is coming. These 3 are coming. Notice report writing, letter to the editor, and article writing. These all 4 are coming, and in your top part, reading and comprehension is coming. So we have already discussed about our English core. I hope it was a good thing for you all. Now coming to English elective, those who have taken English elective, let us see. Unseen passage, yes. The comprehension thing is yes, it's coming. Unseen poem is no. An essay on argumentative or discursive topics, so essay writing is yes, it's coming. Composition is yes, it's coming. That is article, report, editing, narration, these all things are coming. Then coming to your book Kaleidoscope, which all the 3 teachers and including myself, all 4 of us are teaching. So coming to short stories, I Sell My Dreams is coming, yes. Evelyn, yes. A Wedding in Bronzeville is yes. Tomorrow is no. 1 centimeter is no. So in your Kaleidoscope prose short stories, only 2 chapters are not coming, Tomorrow and 1 centimeter. Now coming to your poetry part, A Lecture Upon the Shadow, yes. Poems by Milton, yes. Poems by Blake, no. Kubla Khan, yes. Trees, no. The Wild Swans of Cooley, yes. Time and Time Again, yes. Blood, yes. So the poems which are not coming in your Kaleidoscope poetry are, just let me see once again. Yes, poems by Blake is not coming. Trees is not coming. So only 2 poems have been cut off from your list. Now coming to your non-fiction part. Now in your non-fiction part, Freedom, which non-fiction I am taking. So Freedom is coming, which I have already taught. Thank God it's coming. Okay. The Mark on the Wall, no. Filmmaking, yes. Why the Novel Matters, yes. Argumentative Indian, no. Science fiction, no. So I had to do 3 chapters in non-fiction, Freedom, filmmaking, and Why the Novel Matters. So any one of the non-fiction I will be taking, and other one Ankita ma'am will be taking, that will be discussed. Okay. Now in your drama part, which Ankita ma'am is taking, Chandalika, yes, broken images, no. Alright, so one play is coming, one is not coming. Coming to the novel, The Financial Expert, yes. A tiger for Malgudi, yes. Between both of them, you can choose any one. So you have your things for your elective as well. Now when the video will be getting over, just wait, because as the video ends you will be having pictures on the screen where you can see what all chapters are coming, yes and no. You can just take a screenshot and have it with yourself. So this was today's video. Now coming to Old English, I guess in Old English that I had to see, but I'll be discussing that soon. But this was the video for English core and English elective. Now let me tell you why this reducing of syllabus is a blessing for all of us. In this pandemic, it's not easy to study first. It's not easy to even live happily. Even if a person is living happily, and then when the pressure of studies come in your life, you are unable to cope with the things which are happening practically in your life. तो जब आपका सिलेबस कम हो जाता है, जब आपको पता है कि अच्छा हम इतना पढ़ना था, अब हमको इतना ही पढ़ना है, you will be having your peace of mind, you will be happy, you will enjoy, and you will be joyful. And that is what we want right now in our lives. Obviously it's a bit of negative thing for our education system, but that is granted, because right now being happy, at least learning something, come on, this much is there in your syllabus, you will be able to learn something, utna kafi hai. So this is why I, as a teacher, consider this reducing of syllabus to be a blessing for all of us. Those who disagree with me, you are welcome. You can give your comments below in the comment section. But being a teacher, I understand that how much pressure it is for students, because I have been a student myself. So that's why this is a treat for you all and for me also. We'll meet again soon. If people who are watching, students who are watching my video, we'll meet again soon in the video, in the lecture of the chapter Going Places from the book Flamingo. So thank you so much, and be safe, keep studying, and all the best for your boards exam. Thank you.